constructing the true shape and true surface of a section for our rectangular prism. Step 1, we need to establish the x and y axis. You need to draw it to the lower section of the drawing paper because we have to project here to the top. Alright, so I'll set somewhere here. That will be x-axis, and this would be y-axis. As tradition, we need the 10 millimeter. So I have to establish the x and y. Front plan end. Start with the plan. This is 50. This is 10 millimeters, and from here to the other end is 50. The length is 90. Okay, and the height for the front elevation is 30 millimeters. So I'll set the planter as this. Plan, I need to project to get the end, then the front. So I'll project this across. This point and this point has been projected, so I only need to project this one. Okay, so I have here that from here the point is 30 millimeters, which is that point. Complete 30, and then I project this vertically. Okay. Then I have plan front and elevation for this figure. Okay, I want now to take a look at the second portion of the construction, which is setting off based on the drawing, setting off the section that has been cut off. So I'm following the drawing that from this endpoint 15 millimeters you have an angle that is inclined to 45 degrees. So at 45 we have a cutting plane. Okay, and the cutting plane has to be projected below, downwards. Okay, and the end can be obtained readily. So what I'll do now is darken the views accordingly based on what has been drawn in terms of what has been cut off. So there I have front plan and end elevation, of which I'll use 45 degree. This is what has been cut, and here are the same thing. I'll use this. Okay, this portion represents this area that has been cut, and then if you stand here, then this is what you see as inclined. So I have to label the points. So this is point A, B, C, and D. Okay, then this becomes point B, A, C, and D. Here to the top, this becomes C and D, small d, and here to the top, this becomes capital D and an E. Okay, BE. That is the projection. To complete the figure, we just need to project this to an angle of 45 degrees. And establish that second x and y axis. Okay. To obtain the true shape of this area, because it is inclined, I want to follow the same process as I did in the auxiliary views. So this is x and y, this is x axis, and this is y. So I'll set here, and I will take dimensions from this base. So x and y to B, I follow where B is, this line, x and y, B. Then I do where C is located, so B again, this point I follow downwards. I follow this line, x and y, scribe. Okay, the same process from x and y here, x to A, and then follow this line, DA, xy, point A, have my point to the top. Then I do from D, follow to A, x and y, to where D is. Okay, follow DA, x and y, and I scribe. And there I have the required true shape. Okay. And the last thing to do would be to label the points. Here at the bottom this is X, and at the top I need to place a label. Okay, but I need to label these points. Okay, and this one. X1, Y1, Y, this is A, D, this would be C, and finally this would be D. Okay guys, this would be the true shape of section. Alright, there is no need for you to dimension, and that would be the drawing. Okay, thank you for following.